This video will go over how to install the EcoHitch for your Acura Integra, featuring a stainless steel receiver to help prevent corrosion. Our Integra hitch is an Invisi design, which will stay hidden behind your license plate when not in use. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. Start by lifting the rear hatch and removing the retaining screws from the lower hatch opening trim on both the driver and passenger side. Release the trim on the passenger and driver side from the retaining hooks by sliding the trim rearward and towards the middle of the car. Then, remove one screw on the driver's side and one screw on the passenger side previously hidden by the lower trim. Remove the retainers for the mud flaps and bumper cover retaining screws on the driver and passenger sides. Remove the vertical screw from inside the passenger and driver side wheel openings that hold the sides of the bumper cover. Remove the retainers securing the underside center of the bumper cover. Although not shown here, you will also need to remove the factory license plate and license plate bracket for later steps. Working from the outside towards the center, remove the bumper cover by slowly pulling it away from the car. Disconnect the electrical harness connector located in the inside center of the bumper cover. Set the bumper cover in a safe, secure place for later reinstallation. Remove the rear cross member by removing the 4 bolts on each side. The cross member will not be reinstalled with the hitch. Insert the coiled end of the 3/8 bolt fisher up through the hole in the driver's side of the frame and out the large hole previously covered by the cross member. Place a tooth washer followed by a plate washer over the threads of the provided 3/8 bolt. Thread the bolt onto the coiled end of the bolt fisher to pull the hardware through the frame until the threads of the bolt protrude down through the hole in the frame. Carefully remove the bolt fisher, then repeat the process on the passenger side of the frame. Loosely install the EcoHitch to the 4 upper cross member attachment holes using the shorter of the supplied metric hex bolts, with 1 plate lock washer and 1 flat washer each. Loosely install the shorter metric hex bolts with 1 split lock washer and 1 flat washer into the 4 remaining lower holes. The threads of the lower bolts extend out the forward side of the frame flange. On one side, slide a frame support bracket over the metric bolt threads and around the bolt fished in earlier. Once the bracket is in place, secure the 3/8 bolt with a flat washer, split lock washer, and a nut. Secure the bracket to the metric bolts with a flat washer, split lock washer, and nut, repeating the process on both sides of the vehicle. Then, torque all the bolts to the foot-pounds displayed in the instructions. For this video, the trimming of the Invisi access port was done before the hitch installation. Double-check all measurements in the booklet before starting the trimming process. Double-check that all the bolts are tightened and reattach everything excluding the original factory crossmember. For the flip kit, after fastening the plate to the new flip kit, center the license plate to the bracket and tighten the fasteners. Using the factory hardware previously removed, attach the license plate flip kit bracket to the vehicle. Slowly flip open the license plate bracket to ensure there will be no contact made between the vehicle and the license plate bracket. Adjust assembly if needed. With the flip kit installed, your EcoHitch is ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torqlifts products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.